Uniseal offers an abundance of different packages to improve your vehicle's protection, performance, and value. Our interior detailing has revolutionized the art of car detailing. It sets a new standard for excellence in the industry. We got several packages to pick from. We have a hand wash in the back. We have our ultimate wash, which is probably our most popular wash. Our next packages, our interior detail package, would be more along the lines of shampooing, deep interior cleaning, conditioning, things of that nature, basically making it as like new as we possibly can. If you're looking for the most brilliant shine your car can have, ceramic coating is the way to go. We have just an outside package, and we also have an all-inclusive package, which would be outside and the inside. So we're going to do a decontamination process where we're going to clay bar and use an iron removal in the wash process to get every foreign substance off the clear coat. Then we do what's called a ceramic prep, and then there's a curing process after that, and then the vehicle's ready for pickup. When the car's done, you're going to get a significant shine out of the vehicle. The number one thing that I always hear from customers is, I didn't know it could be this clean. Like everything else we do at Uniseal, our window tint packages are a cut above the rest. A regular window tint only helps from a protection standpoint as far as theft and being able to see visibly within the vehicle itself. Our ceramic window tint here gives you the same protection and helping your vehicle stay cool longer, but also helps out with harmful UV rays. Our spray and bed liner product gives a very sturdy protection from all the outside elements, whether you're moving cargo, moving lumber, or whatever you're trying to move at that point in time. The spray and bed liner will help protect your vehicle from dents or dings or scratches that would happen in the truck bed and still give it a nice look. PPF is a thin, clear film that will go on the paint surfaces of your vehicle, also your headlights and your tail lights, and that product is to protect it from all the outside elements, including rock chips. Look at it as a cell phone cover for your vehicle. Here at Uniseal, we take pride in customer service and quality of work. Book your appointment today and let Uniseal show you what we could do for you and your vehicle.